Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to change screen refresh rate on Samsung Galaxy A15 device. Okay, depending on your usage, needs and preferences, adjusting your screen refresh rate can enhance your device experience or extend battery life. So here are the steps. First thing first, you can go to the settings menu on your device. Well, in this page, please select display option. Okay, and then please choose motion smoothness menu. Well, so now we'll be shown two options, where the first options offers smoother animations and scrolling, or it will adjust the screen refresh rate up to 90 Hz. So for the second option, it is offer longer battery life with a 60 Hz refresh rate. So here I will choose the first option or the highest refresh rate. Then click apply. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to change screen refresh rate on Samsung Galaxy A15 device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.